Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can remove domains from cPanel. So let's get right into it. Now, the types of domains that you can actually remove are add-on domains or subdomains, and I'll be going over this support topic just to help you guys go through it and of course explain how it's done. Now, it's done really easily. What you need to do, you just need to log into your cPanel, go into domains, and then go into domains again, and then select manage to the right of the domain you want to remove. Then simply select remove domain, and that should be it. And now I'm not sure if you can remove the main domain, which I'm pretty sure you can't, which is the domain with which you've created your cPanel account, and the domain that the cPanel account is directly tied to. So that domain you pretty much can't remove. However, any of these add-on domains or subdomains will be, of course, readily available to be deleted. Again, just go into the domain section, click on manage, and then click remove, and that should be it. This is the one of the most important steps when you're deleting any add-ons. Any add-on domains must be deleted as well, so keep that in mind. However, pretty much that's all there is to it. As you can see, it's a very simple process. It only takes 3 steps, and that is basically everything. I really don't have anything else to add. I really hope you guys did enjoy, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.